And turning now to Rhode Island's fight against COVID-19, state health officials are reporting that Rhode Islanders ages 12 to 15 are seeing the fastest increase in vaccinations week over week. Alexandra Leslie is joining us now with the details on that update and also what age groups are progressing slower than others.
Well, as of Monday, nearly 37% of Rhode Islanders 12 to 15 have gotten at least one dose of a COVID vaccine. It's a 3% increase compared to last week, but health officials say they're concerned about a slower pace in 16 to 19-year-olds. Though Rhode Island has surpassed President Biden's target of partially vaccinating 70% of adults by July 4th, health officials say they don't want people to get the wrong idea about the pandemic.
COVID is not over.
And the state is still trying to vaccinate as many of those who are eligible by the fall.
You know, it gets a little bit harder once we reach higher percentage of the people who are vaccinated.
As of June 7th, Rhode Island has vaccinated 93% of people 65 plus and 89% of people 55 plus.
The great news here is among all age bands, we are continuing to see progress, but it's just at a slower rate than what we have seen, early on.
Specifically, about 54% of those 16 to 18 have been vaccinated.
So we've got about 8,400 more to go to reach 70%.
Rhode Islanders ages 16 to 19 are getting vaccinated at a slower pace, though, with a less than 2% increase since last week.
The growth is slowing.
Health officials say a majority of Rhode Islanders 12 to 18 have gotten the shot at a mass vaccination site. But with most of those sites closing down in the coming weeks, the health department is focusing more closely on primary care providers. While dozens have received applications to become COVID vaccine providers, just 10 are currently administering the shot.
We are hearing that practices are struggling to find demand.
And some doctors cite two possible reasons for that to the Department of Health, either that a majority of patients in their practice have already been vaccinated, or parents and guardians are still not sure or don't want to vaccinate their children. Live in studio, I'm Alexandra Leslie, 12 News.